Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Backyard Smoke, where I'm your host, James Hogan. And today, we're going to be smoking a bacon-wrapped pork loin on the Weber Kettle 22. And to finish it off, we're going to hit it with a wonderful pineapple maple glaze that is going to be delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is where we got this pork loin from. It came from our local Sam's Club. It's already been brined in citrus flavors and wrapped in applewood smoked bacon. Very simple, very easy, looks good, smells good. Let's go ahead and get this on the grill and get to eating later on. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, set up our Slow N Sear. We already got our wood chunks in. We're using some apple today. Just gonna put one chunk right here. Move this back over here, and this will burn. And once we hit 250ish, we'll go ahead and just bring her out, and we'll put the pork loin on. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so we got our temp up to 250. We're gonna go ahead and place our pork loin right here. We got our probe. And what we're going to do is inject it right here. Get it as close to center as possible. Okay, so while the pork loin is already on the grill, the first thing we're going to do now is go ahead and prep our pineapple glaze. It's going to be real sweet, it's going to be real simple. All you're going to need are 4 ingredients. Pineapple juice, a nice maple, we're using the amber maple because I love the color. We're going to have some French design mustard for a little bit of a kick, and we're going to have a little bit of brown sugar. Let's go ahead and mix that up. And I'll show you guys how we're going to prep that and put it on the pork loin. It's really simple, guys, I promise. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so we're hitting right around 135. What I did was I put the glaze on the grill just so it warm up. And we're just going to go ahead and just start basting it. Now with this glaze, feel free to do whatever ingredients you like or add the measurements how you like. I like to play around with it. It's no exact science. But what this is going to do is give it some real nice flavor. Also, you can see I did switch the sides in which the probe was on. Since the fire is over here, I wanted this side to kind of get a little more crisp as well. Alright guys, so we're back and we got Lincoln and Libby, and you guys ready to taste this pork loin?
Yes, and we also are playing in mud and we're very muddy.
Okay, well that was fun too.
Yes.
That's why you're getting a shower. Now, what we're going to do is slice up this pork loin.
Yes.
Just to
and
recap.
I hope it's going to taste very yummy.
I think it will. Let's tell the people what we did, alright? I'm going to tell them. The first thing that we did was we brought this from Sam's Club. That was the easy part. The second thing was we made the glaze and we cooked it until it was internal temp of 145. So we're going to go ahead and slice. and it looks really good. It's super juicy. And the bacon is very good. You can definitely tell that the glaze really put some more flavor on there. Let's cut a little thin piece here. Oops. Let's get a little taste test going. What do you guys? Go ahead and get some. Okay. It's very juicy. What's it taste like, Libby?
It tastes like a marinade.
Tastes like a marinade. Okay. It was brined and citrus, so that's always good. That's some bacon. You want to cut that off? How's the bacon taste?
Good.
Let's cut another slim piece.
Some bacon too.
Here's some bacon. So this will give you guys, show you guys what we're talking about right here.
The bacon.
This looks awesome. So if you guys like this, tell them, Lincoln. Go ahead and press that subscribe button and check us out for some more content. Until next time, see you guys later.